How did you do this? What sponge did you use?
My kitchen sponge. Okay, well.
This is so bad. I can tell from back here.
Oh my god. I was doing it when it was wet. Oh my god. Look at that.
I don't think that's gonna be fixed. I think that's probably permanent. So just a very quick backstory as I make my Revere coffee to get the day started. Link in the description for this. Delicious. This company sent me out some coffee. This is their Liberty Light Roast. Check out their website. They donate 10% of their profits to charitable organizations. Seem like a good group of people. So my girlfriend decided to wash her car, which I said, okay, that's fine. She generally knows how to do it. I have the materials and equipment to do so, so I kind of set her up. I said, well, while you wash it, I'm gonna go mow the lawn because the lawn was out of control. I need to mow it, even though it's destroying my allergies. I'm still sniffling now. Springtime is terrible for me. So I'm mowing and I finish up and she looks like she's about done washing. She says, hey, I think I messed up a little bit. And I was like, what? She said, yeah, I think I scratched my car a little bit. And I'm thinking how? I have a very, very, very soft brush that I know isn't gonna scratch unless she dropped it in stones and washed it with stones in the brush head, which she wouldn't do that. She knows better. I was like, what the heck? So her car has all these little black dots on it. We think it's from a tree that was out here. Her car is brand new and didn't have like a good coat of wax on it or anything. I know, I should have waxed it. Would have helped. I said, well, I'll get them off your car one day, but it's gonna take a long time because it's not easy to remove those. Like they're stuck on there. You take your fingernail to them and pick them off and they still have like a brown residue behind. So I said it's gonna need clay bar and probably gonna have to at minimum do a good waxing, if not a buffing. She's like, okay. Well, she took the liberty of taking a kitchen sponge and started just absolutely scrubbing the crap out of these black spots. Well, she got them off, but in the process, she kind of destroyed her paint. So you'll see in the video here, it's pretty bad. I think she learned her lesson. So there's little black spots all over this car from one of the trees, and she decides to scrub it.
Wait, I'm sorry. Can we say why? Okay, because I have to park in the open area of the forest because Matt has to park his.
So these little black dots, which I'm getting off with my fingernail.
No, you're not getting off.
She decided to scrub and ruin her entire.
Well,
what's worse, a little stain or a complete
what do you mean?
utter
Do you know how many
ruining
black
of the paint?
I don't want to talk.
Isn't this car brand new?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad it's not my car. All right, I guess I'm buffing and polishing this thing all day now. That's what I'm gonna be doing. That's what today's turned into before it rains. All right, well, we got to clay bar it first, so.
Yeah, let's get on that.
Yeah, you get one, I get one. We're just lightly going over the whole thing. This is just to get a lot of surface imperfections off before I buff it. So I'm going to try the McGuire's Correction Compound and their dual action polisher with this and hopefully can get these scratches out. Some of them are pretty bad, so my hopes aren't super high. We'll see. This is the one I'm probably most worried about. These, well, not one, this whole panel.
This whole car.
Yeah. What's worse, the little black spots or these scratches?
Yeah, we'll see.
All right, we'll see what happens.
How are we looking?
I don't know. Well, it's
What's
certainly
the
not
verdict?
perfect, but that is a lot better. The thing is, I can feel those scratches. That means they're not coming out the whole way, but that is way better. What do you think?
I mean, yeah. It is shiny.
Yeah. It should be shiny. It's brand new. These are where she went the most aggressive, so I'm gonna have to get an actual buffer out on this. What?
They're like,
Oh,
what?
come look at this.
What?
It's like perfect.
Oh, I thought you meant you f***ed more.
No. That actually came out better than I thought.
What did you buff? Or what did you buff
I mean,
with?
you can still see it if you get down close, because you can catch it with your fingernail. So it's in there deep, but that's pretty good.
Oh yeah, you can see it.
Yeah.
Buff Daddy.
All right, 100 more panels to go. Raining and then it's not raining, so we're just kind of funneling in and out of the garage. All the compounding's done, so now we own the step 2, which is the finishing wax. My allergies are terrible, that's why I'm wearing sunglasses. So the wax is on, just have to wipe it all off while she's in there cleaning her windows. It's gonna rain very soon. Ooh, that is smooth.
Am I doing this? No one cares to see you wiping
Feel it.
stuff off.
Feel it. What do they care?
They care to see me wiping.
I think everyone would rather see me wipe it off, but sure.
Buff Daddy. All right, wax is off. It looks better than. I'm kidding.
Not the inside. But who, like, what?
Okay, stop.
What is that? That is disgusting. Look at this. There's a whole another person up here. That's freaking gross.
Oh my god.
I'm not touching that. That's all you. Good luck. It looks better than when it was new, right? It's way shinier. It wasn't shiny when it was new.
Yes, it is so shiny.
And smooth. So the problem areas were what here was really, really bad. And that came out 100%. You can't see that at all. There was a spot here that was terrible. The hood was awful. Right there you can maybe see like a smidgen of what was left. But it's so much better. Almost all the black dots are off. This, way better.
This is my birthday, Christmas, anniversary, you know, you name it, present.
Everything present. Everything. Especially with the allergies. I'm out here, I'm like dying. Just sneezing like 100 times. Just trying to get this thing.
What a man, really.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sweet. All good. All better. Never again. Don't let your women wash their cars, especially your cars. This isn't, thank God this isn't mine. That I would have been heated.
You would have.
So, what do you know now? Don't
wash. Don't try to get rid of scuff marks without you being there, without any other, you know, item other than a microcloth sponge thingy.
Microfiber?
Microfiber, yeah. Okay, well, just have you there regardless.
Yeah, don't scrub as hard as you can with a sponge made for dishes.
Okay, so what we need is, though, another garage for me. Like, if you think I should have my own garage to put my car in, because it's out here in the forest.
Where do you think you're?
Right here. Here it is. Right here.
Sure, build one. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry. Can you guys look at the trees, please? That's where all the shit falls on my car.
Yeah, they're beautiful trees. So if this video gets 10,000 likes, she's gonna build a garage that's gonna be big enough for her car and like 4 of my cars. So.
And he's gonna fund the money.
10,000 likes. Let's do it.
Thanks for watching.